a live unboxing and an honest review of the dog waste bags with dispenser and leash clips. This is actually an Amazon brand itself. So when I first open it up, this is exactly what it looks like. Around 19 of the actual cylindrical sets, and that equals 300 bags in total. And there also is a holding case, a little carrying case for the dog poop. There is one in here, by the way, so I actually realized it's 20 cylindrical sets compared to the 19 I originally thought. It's very easy to actually clip onto your dog's leash, to their collar, however you want to do it, and then you simply just clip it right there. On the top, it's like a little egg that we can screw off the top. Take this out if you want, place it back in there with your next one because we have loads and loads to choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and take off this little sticker on the first one. And once I did that, you can see the bag this size. So it's around, I would say about a foot, a little bit less than a foot. Once we open it up, there we go. So I have a Husky who makes large deposits into the earth when we go on a walk together. So this is really, really good volume to hold, easy to turn inside out, grab what you gotta grab. Also, because it's so big, you can also easily twist the top. Really sturdy bag, by the way. I mean, I am giving it my all and it is not coming apart. What I personally like to do with these is to actually take the piece of the thing itself, pop it right here into this circle. Then I'm going to close the top of the egg and then go ahead and put this on my dog's leash. So now it's really easy to grab the next one and cut it.